Camping is a much more adventurous and affordable way to have a good time with your friends or family. That being said, this weekend my wife and I took a quick camping trip to Highlands, North Carolina. It was a simple but fun trip as we camped at Van Hook Glade Campground, checked out the rich mountain city, and visited a few nearby waterfalls. But what's cool about heading to Highlands from Georgia are the various mountain overlooks along the way. And the first one was in Sky Valley, Georgia.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
The Appalachian Mountains. Second oldest mountain range in the world. And shortly after that was Blue Valley Overlook.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
What's really cool too is in the springtime, it's very colorful, more colorful than usual. That's also because we're further up within the Appalachian Plateau and now within the Nantahala temperate rainforest.
Your destination is on the right.
My husband and I are at the Van Hook Glade Campgrounds, and this is gonna be our first camping trip, and it is really gorgeous.
Like you, babe.
And look at all the greenery. It feels very private, which is nice. Guard Alaska Bear Spray. And hopefully we do not have to use this. You feel like you're in a jungle in here. Look, there's a stream.
We're gonna make steaks, salmon, green beans and potatoes. Right now I'm sterilizing the grill.
Look how pretty that fire is.
Yep, I pretty much burned everything, but it's still pretty good.
So this morning we made campfire coffee and Mountain House Adventure Meal scrambled eggs.
And we slept pretty good.
We did sleep pretty good.
Yep.
How was the coffee, Mr. Hostry?
It is actually really good. My wife did a great job.
Oh, yay!
Now we're gonna go to 2 waterfalls and the city square.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's pretty good. Bacon. That's a nice bacony, smoky flavor to the egg. We're in downtown Highlands, and it's really, really cute. We're gonna go get some lunch.
On a hill hovering over the modernized square lies the most mountain town vibe restaurant we could find. Highlands has been known for its incredible vegetation for a very long time. Dating back to 1787, Andre Michaud was the first botanist to study plants on the plateau. And if you're wondering why we keep calling Highlands a plateau, because it is. It's a plateau on top of the Appalachian Mountains and one of the highest elevated cities east of the Mississippi River. Considering the wealthy area, the city square is home to a variety of eclectic shops and high-end restaurants. It's also famous for its Highlands Country Club golf course. In the 1930s, the town underwent a transformation, becoming a renowned golfing destination thanks to Bobby Jones of Atlanta and a few of his affluent golfing companions. Soon after downtown, we went to the nearby waterfalls. Just a few miles from the city are cool? 2 waterfalls right next to each other.
Bridal Veil Falls.
The first is Bridal Veil Falls, which is literally a drive-in waterfall on the side of the road. And nearby was the much larger Dry Falls. So we're here at Dry Falls. They call it a Dry Falls because you can go under the waterfall while staying dry. But very often, you're not going to stay that dry going under this waterfall. But it's really cool. It's only a 0.2 mile hike from parking. Thoughts on growing in this area?
Yeah.
It's constantly being fed by a little bit of water at the bottom.
Absolutely gorgeous. Look how cool this is. And it's completely natural. This doesn't really hold back to the highlands. There's a lot of botanists, aka plant scientists, come here to the highlands to study the extreme biodiversity that's here because the amount of incredible rainfall that exists here.
And that's because this area is on a very high elevation. It's on a plateau. So something called the orographic lifting effect happens with the clouds, making it rain a lot. Thank you guys for watching this new series of my wife and I going on hiking, kayaking, and camping trips together. The videos with us will be on our playlist called Tony and Heidi's Nature Adventures in case you want to see more of these in the future. So thank you so much for watching. God bless.